what's up? It's Ray here. Today we are doing another YouTube video with Bubba. Woo! We are doing the paper airplane war. Okay? Let's begin. Here. You hold this. Okay, Bubba, you ready? So grab your first piece of paper.
Is it running?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. You stopped it?
No.
You put it on pause.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did. Look. Okay, we are back. Now we are going to start the war. Okay, well, you have to touch the couch. You have to touch the thing. Ready? Set, go! Hi.
The doctor said that my dysfunction was incurable. But when I'm sitting
Is there a way for the? I guess they can't even get back there, can they? There is a way? How? Go careful though. Well, maybe have Bubba do it.
No, Ray, you're too fat.
she had a great sense of humor.
Try to get to it.
It's not through, idiot.
That's laughter.
I can't get through it.
Yeah, because I don't catch on fire.
So how long are you in town? Just today. There's immediate for the
Hi.
a lot of drivers all over the country. They send you away for us.
What's in there?
Why don't you shirt? I get caught.
We can make it happen.
No.
To see the W going around the track. That'd be cool.
Well, you know how it happened. How did it happen, right?
Let's wash that shirt.
We're really hoping that Paul is going to like this NASCAR event, so it'll be a great
Okay,
opportunity.
ready? Come on.
Bob and I get up
Grab
to
yourself.
New Hampshire Motor Speedway. I didn't know what to
Ready,
expect.
set, go.
Greg's crew is going to bring us down.
Oh, hey, Bubba.
Pretty straight tear.
Okay, Bubba has 2 lives out of 3.
It's like to do this job.
Pretty small.
Oh. Bubba has 2 out of 2.
Any heavy machinery when I got here. But I'm a little
Dang it. Bubba has 2, I have 1.
Oh, yes. I'm better at this.
Woo! I dodged it.
You want to die?
You can help prevent undernourished all over the world. When you get your vitamins at Walgreens,
What the heck?
give life-changing vitamins to kids across the world. Get vitamins, change lives every the corner of happy and healthy. I started smoking when I was 16.
No! You missed!
My tip is,
Oh, crap.
freedom will only go as far as your oxygen tube.
You can't quit.
I'm out of paper!
Only
Here's some.
natural cheese has a touch of Philadelphia cream cheese, so whatever you make is creamier than ever.
What's wrong with Bubba? Put down there in front of you.
Oh, yes!
Every 15 seconds, someone throws a bad birthday party.
That was 10. But from the...
Good thing there's Party City
Oh, it's
with over 100 birthdays. Never
Look at that
Don't
stuff.
just throw a party, throw a Party City party.
Ah, dang it.
Who invented the rootin'? Putting sauerkraut, macaron, and corn. That's crazy. Then again, somebody had to
High end.
Arby's.
Well, it's high and that end. No headshots count. Headshots don't count.
Help.
Oh, let's go, son. Okay, keep on going.
What you needed to do is try to get accepted there.
We'll show you where to go.
Oh, crap. I'm out of paper.
What to see?
Guess what's here?
No! Bubba hit me.
Yes!
Bubba won the first round.
Okay, well, get up all the paper airplanes. Okay.
Gosh, you have a bunch.
Shocked up. I like your style. You look like you're on a cleanse.
Oh, really?
Mom, put your feet up.
Someone without a torso.
I feel like you peaked at
Mom, put your feet up.
Citrus snowboard instructor.
You look like an
Please
out-of-work
put your feet up.
magician.
It's a
Daddy, can I have some?
I got a movie idea for you.
Okay.
This loser walks
Changing
into a
all
bar.
the student texts.
Okay, it's called Right Now.
Nothing but party scores, Megan.
Okay, here we are for round 2.
Only the other one kept failing.
You're doing good.
One of the more entertaining dates that I've had in a long time, and it's been
Okay. Touch the couch.
Good to
Ready,
see you.
set,
You
go.
got to check it out. You told me, hey, you insisted on doing this. Nice to meet you, though. It was a pleasure.
you too.
God bless.
Crap.
Thank you.
No!
By then, you cheated up. You gotta do it.
Party is pooping!
Oh, right in the belly.
Yes!
So,
To say the least.
Bubba has 3, I have 2.
the
Yes!
one that came up through the gas
I
station.
gotta win this game.
You were the one that asked me out. You got me.
Oh, Daddy!
So, you know, if it's okay with you, I would maybe like to have another date. Do this again. I would
Woo!
I'd love that.
without
Crap.
distractions.
I think you'd love it.
Yeah, but bunch of papers. Yes, this paper. This paper. Oh, yes!
To you.
You too, my darling.
Whoa!
So maybe I'll be able to get into
I
that.
have a bunch of papers. Please. Oh, crap. Oh, no.
How did it go?
It went okay overall.
Messiah.
Great.
Oh, my God.
She's the catch
No,
for big.
no, that was a headshot. Oh, okay.
We should definitely do whatever you can.
Yes.
You were rapidly throwing all kinds of questions, and I couldn't.
I didn't want you freezing up.
Woo!
Yeah, but I
Rapper.
couldn't even answer.
Daddy, why do your airplane suck?
Patience on my behalf that I was waiting for the response, and
My
you were shipped away
airplane
so that
Oh,
I could issue these
Like on the
have one.
Okay, I'm trying to protect
I
you.
want my life.
Take it off.
Oh, yes.
Oh, you tell me airplane.
Three.
Video and that is smartphone.
Oh, hey, Bubba. Bubba has 2 lives, I have 1 life.
And these
No,
by
no,
retail.
no, what is this?
Closed captioning brought to you by
No, I hit you.
MeSoBook.com.
I didn't feel.
People who have been diagnosed with mesothelioma have many questions. That's why we offer this free book. Call
But it's a sudden death.
1-800-5415. The final 3
Oh,
Again.
again.
Ah, dang it.
Ted Cruz, John Kasich, live from Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
No, make it. I have 2 lives.
Republican presidential town
Yes, well, no, we both have 1.
No, guys.
CNN.
Go, it's fine, just go.
Go to the truck. Bring me my
I know.
box.
Ah!
What do you mean it's gone? I'm on the case, all right? What's your name? Please keep him out of trouble. You okay? I don't know what kind of trouble you can get in.
Alright, Bubba.
No, you can't get so close.
Okay, fine.
It's close. Animation! Woo!
It's here on
Well-
America's best beaches. Feel it in unique mashups of amazing, crazy, and wild. So with every moment, you live amplified.
Bye, Bubba. Hi, man. Okay, we are moving on to the final round.
Hi.
Okay, here we go on the 3rd round.
Back into my business. And that's huge for my bottom line.
Ready? Bubba, touch the couch.
What's in your wallet?
Set, go.
Welcome to MSNBC Live.
Don't make it. Cut that one.
Alex Wood here at MSNBC World Headquarters. We begin this hour with
Fine.
breaking developments in
No,
Brussels. Belgian
going on?
police
I want this one.
3 arrests in connection with Tuesday's bombings. One suspect is charged.
Okay, Bubba got mad, so I have 2 lives.
The others arrested have been charged with terror-related crimes. Brussels airport will remain closed at least
ready?
until Tuesday.
Set,
11
go.
people died in 2 blasts at that airport. 20 died in a metro blast. More than 270 people were wounded. Belgium's Interior Minister this afternoon appealed to residents not to rally tomorrow in support of the victims of Tuesday's attacks. The rally has not been banned, but officials say police are stretched too thin and hope residents do not gather for safety's sake. NBC's Keir Simmons is joining us now from Brussels. And Keir, with another welcome. So what do we know about the identities of those arrested and charged today?
Well, we know a limited amount, Alex, and it's been pretty confusing because a long statement from the Belgian prosecutor's office and because of some things lost in translation. Let's straighten that out. There are 3 people who have been charged. Now, the statement says they have been arrested and charged. That is because they were taken into custody. They were not officially arrested until the announcement made today by the Belgian prosecutor. The 3 people that the Belgian prosecutor says has been charged are a man that is called Faisal C. They give out the first name of the person, not the surname. That person has been charged with participation in activities of a terrorist group, terrorist assassinations, and attempted terrorist assassinations. Now, we're not clear what specific attack those charges relate to, but you read into terrorist assassinations and assume that that effectively means terrorist murder, if you like, and it may be that charge means that they do believe that he was directly involved in one of the attacks here. 2 others charged as well. A man they're calling Rabah N, who was charged with participation in activities of a terrorist group, and Abu
You
Bakr
keep walking right in front of me when I'm trying to change the channel.
2 charges suggest that they believe that those 2 men were in some way involved in the friction.
Working on a project, and she actually played a role in her hometown banning plastic.
Oh, USSA skiing and snowboarding. Wow, watch this, guys. It's been fun watching these guys ski. Watch this. Look how fast they go down these mountains. Look, Ray.
And see, part of the challenge for these racers is dealing with the information. All of them
And they have to stay in the blue
they have
lines.
their own vision.
And it's really hard to do.
Oh crap! Look, you're the paper airplane.
With where their line should be and how they're going to take everything. They've got to have a really solid impression of it before they make the run. Just watch the man ski out right in front of you. He flies over the lip and he's right on. Yeah, Duprat hit the timing much better. I mean, he flew in the air, but he flew earlier, landed sooner, and got into these turns better. If you can stay within a second of the lead, Tim Chitloff, you've got a shot at the podium. Duprat's right there.
I won the game. See you guys later. Bye.